to take a look at unique, especially in classics, 1956 Oldsmobile Super 88 Holiday Sedan. So four-door hardtop. Now this particular car, obviously you can see the paint needs a little attention. I'm going to consider this a running driving project. We have had the car running, driving around our building in the lot and on the frontage road. But before you're going to want to get this out on the road, drive it very far. Definitely want to go through it. Give her the once over. We'll have a price to reflect that. If you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside, the engine bay, the interior, check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Let you get a good look at the front bumper. Chrome not too bad on it. Bright work headlight surrounds. Obviously, paint's got some definite patina to it. I also have some close-up pictures of the lower rockers. Do have a little bit of bubbling down here, and you'll be able to see that in the still pictures also. But maybe somebody wants to just go through it, make sure mechanically it's ready to roll and drive it the way it is, or take it to the next level. You'll have a head start on the interior. Red and white vinyl interior redone. Dash carpeting. Doesn't look too bad. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Get a good look around the rear window, deck lid, and again, there'll be pictures of all of this online. So there's probably a good 80 pictures of this car online, top to bottom, inside and out. And once again, those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there underneath the hood. 324 V8 paired up with an automatic transmission. And we'll pop the hood, let you hear it run. Doesn't look too bad above the rear wheel wells. More so down the bottom of those doors. Bright work. Doesn't appear too bad up and down the driver's side. Obviously, all the windows do go up and down. Let's go ahead and take a look at this interior. Doesn't show too bad. Door panels matching seats. Front bench, again, vinyl seats have been redone, as well as the headliner. So like I said, you kind of get a head start if you want to do the exterior. Interior has been redone. All right, let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Fires right up. Cool looking speedometer. Check that out, oval in shape, and then goes down across the dash into the clock. Kind of that Art Deco look from the mid-50s vehicles. Definitely had some styling back then. Door closes and fits nicely. Slip around to the back so you hear it run. Nothing crazy or outlandish for loud exhaust or anything like that. Gotta love the 88 rocket symbol back here. Alright, I'm gonna slip up to the front, pause this a second, let you check out that engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go. Take a look underneath the hood. Got power steering. Doesn't look too bad underneath there. Sounds pretty good too, so it's run smooth. Again, Olds V8 paired up with the automatic transmission. There you go, 1956. Oldsmobile Super 88 Holiday Sedan. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click a link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate by calling or email.